Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hey everyone, and welcome. My name is Connor Sandstrom, and I am a Revenue Cloud consultant here at Solved. Today, I want to continue to dive in and give you tips on how you can automate your business and use Revenue Cloud. We are going to talk about using deep clone functionality on quotes and orders today and how we can enable that in our org. Let's dive in. Okay, the first thing that we need to do to enable our org to have this deep clone option is we need to go into setup. Once we're in setup, we are going to search for our revenue settings over here in the quick find box. And then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down near the bottom where we will find the clone quotes and orders. It gives a little explanation, but what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that this is enabled. So not only will this allow you to clone quote lines or quote line groups and order products, but this will also allow us to use deep cloning. So next, what we would need to do now that this button is enabled, we would come over to Object Manager and we would go to our quote. And then once we have our quote open, we will go to the quote layout. And what we would do is we would find our mobile and lightning actions. And here we'll see deep clone, and we will drag that into our available actions. Or if you are using dynamic forms and you've upgraded actions, you can use your edit page and then you would add the action that way. So I've set up this test quote that has a few products on it. I wanted to point out this one option here where we now have the option to clone individual lines. Now with the new release, we are also given the opportunity to deep clone. By clicking this, it's going to talk about all the associated data will be duplicated. This is a difference from CPQ or different other products where it's not just going to clone the record. It's not just the quote record, but this is also going to pull in all the relevant quote lines as well. So I'm going to go ahead and deep clone this. We'll give it a second to run. So quote test was updated. Again, one thing I want to point out, this quote is still the one that was syncing with the opportunity. We're going to come take a look at our opportunity and we will see that we have this test copy quote, and we will see that it is not syncing. But just at a click of a button, this is a few settings we had to do, but now we are able to pull over not just the quote information, but also all of the quote lines as well. Thank you for taking time to watch this video to learn how you can help automate your business in Salesforce Revenue Cloud. I hope this functionality will help your sales reps push quotes through at a quicker pace and with less effort. If you have any questions about Salesforce Revenue Cloud or any Salesforce products, feel free to reach out to us at solve.cloud to find ways that we can help automate your business. Thanks.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.